Good morning, dear children. The subject which I'll teach you today is GK, that is general knowledge. Now we are doing GK for the first time in class 1. But before beginning with lesson 1 of GK, I'm going to ask you a question. So children, tell me, you live in which country? Yes? You will say, ma'am, we live in India. Yes, we all live in India. Now children, do you know that India is a free country? Yes? Yes, India is a free country. Now, how do we get to know that India is a free country? Our national flag. Our national flag is a symbol of freedom. It symbolizes that we are living in a free country. You know, children, our national flag is very important. Why? Because it is a symbol of freedom and unity among different people and communities living in India. Now, children, our national flag is also called a tricolor flag or Tiranga. Do you know why we call it a tricolor flag or Tiranga? Yes, think of it. Because it is having three colors in it. The first one is which color? Saffron. The second color is white color and the third one is green color. Okay, so because of these three colors, our national flag is called Tiranga. Now children, in the middle of white color, there is also a wheel. This wheel is called the Ashok Chakra. It is having 24 spokes in it. Okay? Now children, our national flag is hoisted on national festivals. Which are our national festivals? Do you know? Yes? They are Independence Day and Republic Day. So on these days, our national flag is hoisted. Now children, why I am telling you about a national flag? I am telling you about a national flag because the first lesson of GK is our flag. Okay, so this was a small introduction of the lesson. Now let's start with the lesson. So children, this is your GK book. If you are having the book, you are going to open page number 5 of your GK book. Now this is the first lesson, that is lesson 1, our flag. Okay, so first we will read this. The Indian flag is also called the tricolor or Tiranga as it has three colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom. Our national flag tells us that we are a free country. The Indian flag is hoisted on 15th August, that is on Independence Day, and 26th January, that is on Republic Day. Both days are celebrated as national festivals. This is what I told you. Now see further. Every free country has its own national flag. Now children, every free country has its own national flag. National flag is a symbol of freedom. Now see further. During the hoisting of the national flag, we must stand to give respect. Now when the national flag is hoisted, we should stand to give respect to it. Okay? Let's read further. Here are some fill in the blanks. Okay? So you have to pay attention and answer also. Okay? First one. The Indian flag is also called the dash. What it will be? It is starting with T. Yes? Tricolor. So what you are going to write over here? Tricolor. Tricolor. are. Okay, next one. Our national flag tells us that we are a dash. What are we? It is a symbol of freedom. So we are a free country. FREE. Okay. Now here what will come? Country. CO is already written. So you have to write UNT is written. RY. Free country. Okay. Next. 15th August and 26th January are celebrated as a dash. What it is? National festivals. N is written. ATIO. N is written. AL. Now A is already written. Okay. So children, the next lesson which I'll teach in GK is forest. Now do you know children what is a forest? Okay, listen carefully. I'll tell you. A forest is a piece of land with many trees. It means there are many types of trees in a forest. A forest is very important. It is a home for various types of animals also, and it is very important for their survival. Now there are many types of forest in different parts of the world with many types of trees. Do you know children why trees are so important? Yes? Can you tell me? Trees are important because they keep the air fresh and clean. We also get many types of things from these trees. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the things which we get from these trees. So let's start. Lesson 2, Forest. Look at the pictures, read the hints and tick the correct answers. Okay, so you have to look at the pictures and you have to read the hints and then you have to tick the correct answers. So let's start with the first one. I am used to make a flute. Options are bamboo, pine, deodar. Okay, what is used to make a flute? Bamboo is used to make a flute. So you have to tick over here. It is already ticked. You have to tick over here on bamboo. Okay, now see the next one. I am used for making perfumes. Mango, neem, sandalwood. Which one is having good fragrance? The one which is having good fragrance will be used to make perfumes. Yes, do you know? That is option C, sandalwood. Okay, now let's see the next one. See the third one. You get dates from me. First one is Sundari tree, palm tree, samul tree. From which tree do you get dates? Yes? Palm tree. So you will tick over here. Okay? Now see the fourth one. My wood is used for making furniture. Pine, palm, coconut. Which wood is used for making furniture? Which tree's wood is used for making furniture? Yes, pine tree. So you will tick over here. Okay, now see the next one, fifth one. I am used as a fuel. Okay, so what is used as a fuel? Options are A. Mangrove, B. Shisham, C. Sal. What is used as a fuel? Yes, A. Mangrove. So you will tick over here. Okay. Now children, here is a fact which you should know. See, trees give us many things. We get fruits, vegetables, wood, rubber, medicines and many other things from them. Okay, trees are very important because they give us many things like fruits, vegetables, wood, rubber, medicines and many more things. Okay. So here we finish with the 2 lessons of GK. Now children, let's start with the 3rd lesson of GK, that is roses. Now children, tell me, what do you see on this page? What will you say? You will say, ma'am, we see roses of different colors. Yes? Yes children, these are all roses of different colors. Now children, do you know that each color of a rose conveys some meaning? It means that each color of a rose is having some meaning. Like if you give red rose to someone, it means you love that person. If you give pink rose to someone, it means you want to say thank you to that person. If you give yellow rose to someone, it means you want to be friends with that person. And white rose symbolizes purity. So children, what you have to do in this lesson? In this lesson, you have to look at the pictures of different roses. Okay, and then you have to match them with their meanings. So let's start. Lesson 3, Roses. Look at the pictures of roses and match them with their meanings. So first one is red rose. Red rose conveys what children? Red rose conveys love. Okay? Red rose shows that you love someone when you give this rose to someone. Okay? So, you will write 1 over here. Okay? Next is pink rose. Pink rose shows what meaning children? Pink rose shows that you want to thank someone. When you give this rose to someone, it shows you are saying thank you to that person. So here number 2 will come. Now the third one is yellow rose. Yellow rose conveys what meaning children? Yellow rose shows friendship. It means that when you give this rose to someone, it shows you want to do friendship with that person. So number 3 is going to come over here. Now last one is white rose. White rose conveys the meaning of purity. So you will write number 4 over here. Now children, do you know rose is the national flower of England? Do you know this? That rose is the national flower of England. Like in India, what is the national flower? Our national flower is lotus. In the same way, rose is the national flower of England. Now children, one more thing. Flowers look good on plants. Do not pluck them just for fun. Yes children, flowers, you should not pluck flowers from the plants. They are also living beings. They also get hurt and they look good when they are on the plants. So do not pluck these flowers. Okay, so here we finish with 3 lessons of GK. I hope you have understood all the lessons nicely. Thank you.